Hey guys, welcome back to Millions from Millennials. We've been out for a couple weeks just because we got some new equipment, some new editing software, we're in the transition stage right now, so bear with us. On another note, let's get into paper trading. So, what is paper trading? You may hear this all the time, whether it be on CNBC, online, maybe Market Watch, Investopedia's, other kind of finance and investing blogs. They talk about paper trading all the time. Oh, I made millions paper trading. Oh, I lost millions paper trading. Whatever it is, here's what it actually is. Paper trading is trading on a fake stock exchange with fake money. Now, when I say fake, I mean it's not connected directly to the New York or the American stock exchange. It's not connected to any type of stock exchange or Forex market. You're also not trading with real money, so you'll have money given to you by the your paper trading game's host. I'm just going to use the Investopedia stock simulator for example. You start a beginner's game, you get either 100K or 10K, whatever you choose, and then you're free to trade on the New York Stock Exchange markets between the hours of 9:30 and 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So people tend to do this to kind of deal with market fluctuations when a stock goes up and down, whatever it may be, 30 cents to $1, depending on the stock and depending on its volume. People also tend to do this to manage their own risk and to kind of learn their niches as an investor. I myself paper traded for 6 months. I'm so happy I did, because honestly, if I would have made the mistakes paper trading that if I would have made the mistakes while I was trading on my E-Trade account that I made paper trading, I don't know what I would have done. I probably wouldn't have been here right now, because paper trading allowed me to make the mistakes as a novice. I'm still kind of a novice, I would say. I'm not like a very seasoned investor, but it allowed me to make the mistakes that would have been catastrophic on my E-Trade account, on my paper trading account. The learning curve is great. I learned a lot. But I strongly urge you guys to learn to paper trade and to kind of get into it. I know it may be boring at first, you're not making real money, but honestly, I would put away making money for experience, because the experience that you gain kind of learning how and when to put in, buy and sell orders, and when to sell and when not to sell, it's great, because you'll thank me later. You really will thank me later once you're making millions and you're saying, hey, I remember Vincent saying to paper trade first, and I paper traded, and I'm very happy that I didn't make the mistakes trading on the real stock exchanges that I did paper trading. So seriously, it allows you to make mistakes for free, because you're not trading with your own money, and there's no risk, right? Zero risk. You hear about risk all the time. People always talk about managing risk. You should manage your risk. You shouldn't, be purely speculative, but there's also that element of, there's no risk. So you're free to kind of, learn and explore, right? That's what I did myself. I learned and I explored, and I learned what I liked and what I didn't like. I remember one time I put it in order for one of the biggest percent gainers, and I got burned like $200, which, I mean, it's a good amount, Making, some people who make minimum wage, $200 is a lot. That's 20 hours of work at $10 an hour. So, take it all with consideration. I myself prefer small gains. Small gains are great because they accumulate, they add up, rather than risking it all towards a big gain. But enough with that investment advice. I'm just kind of, letting you guys know what I learned from paper trading. So I definitely urge you guys to go paper trade. Go set up an account on Investopedia, Market Watch, somewhere. Maybe get a few of your friends going, get a game going, and then, you can be paper trading while saving up money to put to your investor's account. That's what I did. I saved X amount of dollars. I'm not really going to say right now, but I saved X amount of dollars every month within the 6 to 7 months I was paper trading, and I had a decent sum to go invest in, and I was comfortable with that sum too. So, you know, along with like stacking up my money, I was also gaining real market experience. So honestly, guys, if you guys maybe aren't of age, don't have the money yet, or don't really have a strategy, I would definitely urge you guys to go paper trade. Maybe in the next video, I can give you guys a tour of my Investopedia account, give you guys like a breakdown of how it works, like all the tabs and all that, and you know, if that's something you guys would be interested in, just let me know, maybe in the comments down below or on my Twitter page. The @ will be right here. But that's about it, you guys. Definitely go paper trade. So that about wraps up the video for today. I hope that I explained paper trading in a very easy and applicable way for you guys. If you have any more questions, just leave them down below. And if you want to start an Investopedia game, my @ name is right here, so don't be afraid to add me. But other than that, that's about it, you guys. I hope to see you paper trading and on Twitter. And like always, happy hunting.